Alright, let's review how to read a protractor. Okay, so your angle is going to line up with this point right here. So if I have an angle, let's say, that's going way over here and going this way. Sorry, my lines aren't perfectly straight. Okay, notice our arrows are going this way. So that means this angle has gone all this way to go right there. Okay? So when our arrows are pointing this way, we're going to look at the 0 right here. So when it's pointing this way, we are going to look on the inside, at the inside numbers on this protractor. Okay, we're not going to start with 170. We are going to start with 0. Okay. We're using the inside because our arrow points this way first, goes this way. So we're going to go to our 0 and use the inside all the way there. So this angle is 130 degrees. Okay, that's the number this angle lands on. We are not going to use 50 because we're not going to start at 170. Okay, we're starting at 0 and working our way up. Let's try another one. If we had an angle going the opposite direction, so say we had an angle, we're going to use the same right here. All right, notice our arrows are going the opposite direction. So we are going to use the 0 on this side, and we're going to count from 0 and up. We're not going to start at 170. So when the arrows are pointing to the left, we're going to use the numbers on the outside of the protractor. Okay? We're going to use the numbers on the outside of the protractor when our arrows are pointing to the left. We're not going to start at 170 and go up. We're going to start at 0 and go up. Okay? So when we start at 0, that's 0. When we start at 0 and go up, we land on, we're close to 51. So this angle right here is 51 degrees. Okay? When the arrows are going to the left, you're going to go all the way over and start at 0 and use the outside numbers. Because when we count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We count from the smallest to the biggest. So we will not start with 170. Same with this one. We're not going to start at 170. Our arrows are pointing to the right. We're going to start at 0 and use our inside numbers. Okay? Hopefully this makes a little more sense now.